guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today let's talk about fall gardening. So it's already October, and this is the onset of winters where I live. So one starts to think that there is not much to do for next 4 5 months, but actually there's a lot that you can do at this time. So let's go over those things now. So the first thing is that you have all these summer vegetables growing. You want to leave a few of those vegetables on the plants so that they mature and they develop seeds which you can collect for the next season. So, like your beans, your peppers, your gourds, your cucumbers, leave maybe one gourd, one cucumber, a few beans on the plants so that they become big and develop seeds and you collect seeds. And while these summer vegetables are developing seeds, you start your fall vegetables or winter vegetables. So there are leafy vegetables, there are a lot of leafy vegetables you can grow at this time, like spinach, lettuce, kale, fenugreek, mustard. So you can start those seeds right now. Then in root vegetables, there are radishes, carrots, turnips, beetroot, garlic. You can start those. In herbs, you have cilantro, thyme, oregano, and in other vegetables, you have like cabbage and cauliflower and bok choy and broccoli. You can start all these vegetables, and by the time they are ready for transplantation, except the root vegetables, which you want to plant where you actually want to grow them, the other vegetables, by the time they are ready for transplantation, your summer vegetables would have matured and they'll be ready to collect the seeds, and then your area will be open to for the transplantation. The third thing you want to do is that this is the time to start working on your winter bulbous flowers, like daffodils and tulips and jasmanthe, hyacinths, paper whites. So some of my bulbs, actually I don't remove them from the planters. They are already in the planters, but I just, in the summers, I move them in a corner of the garden where they don't get any water or anything because the leaves have already died. Now they have already started sprouting. So now I bring them in the sunny area, and I have started watering them so that the plants grow healthy, and then ultimately healthy flowers will come out of those. So if you like to plant these winter bulbous flowers, this is the time to start getting them and start preparing them for plantation. And if you like winter flowers, then this is again a good time to start putting them in the ground. For example, your nasturtiums, calendulas, and pansies, they are great to grow at this season. And you can also put your dahlias in. Um, Chrysanthemums are already blooming, so hopefully over the summers you had pruned them, and now they are ready to bloom. So you want to bring them up front and give them a lot of sun and water them. So I hope this is enough for you to keep yourself busy in the fall season. I'm certainly busy doing all these things right now. I am collecting seeds from all my summer vegetables and summer flowers, like marigold and zinnias, and I'm collecting seeds from vegetables like amaranth and gourds and cucumber or whatever, and then I'm just preparing the vegetables and the flowers for the winter season. So I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.